Greetings, today I'm checking out and showcasing the brand new version of the Puddle light units from Autobeam.
Alright, here we are then, the brand new version of the Autobeam Puddle lights for the Mark III Ford Focus, and they look absolutely excellent. They have a number of brand new innovative features that Autobeam have implemented, and I will cover them now. They are available in a variety of options with regards to your model of car. For example, this one is for the ST line. Obviously they look the same whenever they're not illuminated, but I will showcase each of the different versions for you to see, and you can go and grab the version that is appropriate for your car. So innovative features that we have in the new version here, I'll start around the back. As you can see, the electronics are entirely enclosed inside this box area, which is then fully sealed in with this resin, which is a really great idea because it makes it completely weatherproof. It's also really sturdy and strong. And then we just have in here this blade connector, so we utilize the stock connection that has that rubber cover. So once we have this installed, it'll be fully weatherproof, which is excellent. Okay, around this side then we have quite a different look compared to what we've had in the past. So we have now this matte black plastic finish, which is going to suit this type of unit very well, because of course this is a projection unit and we are projecting a logo onto the ground, so we are only really wanting the light to be coming from the lens here. So all around it we aren't really needing any light to be coming through, so having this blacked out, and in particular this matte black plastic, it's going to blend in with the underside of our mirrors. As you'll see once I get some of these installed, it's just going to give it a sort of OEM plus look that is always desirable. So that is pretty sweet. The other really cool thing, you may have noticed this little piece of metal right here that is included in the pack. So this little piece of metal, what this is a key, and you can see there are two little prongs out the end, and if I flip this around again, hopefully you can see there are two tiny little corresponding holes on the outer surface of the lens here. Now what this is for externally adjusting the lens. The previous logo Puddle light you had to adjust from the inside, but now we can fully adjust from the outside. So once it's installed and everything is all buttoned up, we can do adjustments with the key. Okay, that is the overview of the innovations in these new units from Autobeam. So without further ado, I will start getting these installed so that I can showcase for you all of the different versions. I won't cover all of the installation steps, I'll just go straight to showing the differences between all the versions. If you want to see the steps, if you want a guide of how to change your Puddle lights, I will link to the previous Puddle light videos down below.
Well, there we go then. That is the latest version of the Puddle lights from Autobeam for the Mark III Focus. I think they look great. The projection is bigger and better, brighter, with that extra white light around the logo, which looks fantastic. And beyond the projection, Autobeam has really gone back to the drawing board and made improvements across the board. So we have really well packaged electronics. We have that black plastic underneath now that matches really well with the underside of the mirror housing. Just looks really stealth OEM plus, which I personally really like, and other little subtle improvements that maybe aren't quite so obvious. So the clips, the OEM style clips in other versions are perhaps not so great. Ford didn't really do the best job in designing it. It can make it kind of difficult to get up in there sometimes. Autobeam have went back to the drawing board. They have redesigned everything to just fit really nice. It clicks in with a really reassuring strong click and is really sweet, just makes the installation that bit easier. And yeah, I really like them. So yes, the latest and greatest version of the Puddle lights from Autobeam. Go and grab yourself a set. Applicable links will be in the description box below. You can customize your build with your specific model of car and it's going to look great. And yeah, all that's left to say is thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.